Good evening. I am Dr. Anurag Manna from Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala. Today is 28th of August, and we have another set of 5 questions which we solve on a daily basis. And once again, I would like to emphasize the importance of solving these questions, because little things that we do on a daily basis, that becomes a lasting achievement over a period of time. So solve the questions and take these questions as a learning opportunity. You are aware with certain topics while going through these questions, and these topics will be very helpful to write your answers in the main examination also. So always search the correct answer from textbook itself, and by reading textbook you will be able to develop the understanding of the basic topics, and ultimately you will be able to analyze those topics, because analyzing is not that much difficult part is understanding, and understanding is a process which we do on a regular basis, and best way is to learn through questions. So let us start with the questions. Today's questions belong to Medieval India NCERT chapter 11, and first question is: arch and dome were inventions of A. Turkish, B. Muslim, C. Arabs, D. Byzantine Empire. Question number 2: arabesque refers to combination of decorative devices, B. swastika, C. arch, D. dome. Consider the following statements. 1. Most magnificent building constructed by the Turks in the 13th century was the Qutb Minar. 2. Qutb Minar was built by Iltutmish. 3. Qutb Minar was dedicated to the Sufi Sant Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Of the above statements, A. One statement is incorrect. B. Two statements are correct. C. Three statements are incorrect. D. Three statements are correct. Question number 4. Sloping walls and combination of arch and lintel and beams are features of A. Tughlaq architecture, B. Khalji architecture, C. Lodi architecture, D. Rajput architecture. Question number 5. Kitab ul Hind was written by A. Al-Biruni, B. Malik Muhammad Jaisi, C. Barani, D. Domingo Pais. So these are the 5 questions, and once again I urge to all my bright students of Patna Sahib Singh Pathshala, that is PSSP, that success is something which you attract by really becoming a deserving person. And how you deserve? We, by doing certain activities on a regular basis, we deserve. And success is not very difficult thing. Our mind and our habits make it so much of difficult. So doing certain things on a regular basis, not failing to do the easy things, is the best way to achieve success. Kindly solve these questions, and later on I will, from the month of October, I will be also giving you some questions on essay type question, 2 questions on essay type basis. And from next year, January or February, I will be coming up with the certain selected topics which are difficult to understand. I would be able to teach about them, explain through my videos, and those who will be joining my classes, they can directly interact with me, and I will be able to help them in a much better way. So solve the questions, search the answers, and become a deserving candidates, and success will be attracted to you, and you will be finally a selected candidate, and that day will come definitely in your life. Just keep on doing your work and keep believing that your work will ultimately create success for you. Good luck. Go ahead.